ASMR.
Do you?
No.
Halmani! What? Anong sayaw? Oh, sasabihin nyo.
Ayun saya, Harmony. Kamsamida.
Kan sabihin nyo daw, kamsamnida. Honestly, sis, in Korea, parang high salary compared to Japan. So, in Japan, that it's really low.
Meron na.
Yeah, parang like the farmer there is like 56,000, 56,000. That is Japan na ha, sis.
Natutunan ng Japan.
Ayun. Bongga. Grabe sis.
I'm not trying to be lonely. I mean, feel boring. Feel boring. I'm getting myself to be busy.
Yeah. You see, if you're boring like that.
But I make myself to go in gym, practice, and some plan.